there is also another type. So what is this? What is this and this microscope? Do you all know the difference? This is called a simple microscope. Alright? And this is called a compound microscope. What is it called?
Compound microscope.
Simple microscope. Microscope went on evolving. First Anthony van Leeuwenhoek discovered a very simple microscope. Then later on, this microscope was discovered and given the name as simple microscope, where we can see large things under this. Okay? But this helps us to see more minute things. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ higher version of microscope is there. What we call it as electronic microscope. Okay? Apart from that, we have one more microscope, UV microscope, that is ultraviolet microscope, where it is connected to an ultraviolet board. So what you observe here can be seen on the board. That we can see those microscopes in universities. Fine. For your level, this much is it. A simple microscope and a compound microscope. Yes? Stain. And 5 days we can observe cheek cells, cheek cells can but onion product, mitosis, meiosis, anaphase, very beautiful.
No, you continue.
Observe. पैसा
In that class, we finished the end. Now it works as a magnifying lens. Let me check whether it is working or not. We have a book. The name of the book is
labeling the things. Right. Don't use a pen for doing these things. Done with that?